Alright, so I got back. Let me touch up everybody here.
Yeah.
I got back from my test drive. Hey, Birdie, go check everything. It drove great, by the way. Beautiful. Temp ran great. Tits McGee. So, what went down, my friend?
So pop the hood, you know, getting ready. Make sure we don't got no leaks anywhere or little droplets. Obviously that was, I mean, it's still a little too warm to open to check the fluid. But I saw the belt. I mean, it was on.
Yeah, but it was twisted.
But it was twisted. It's all right. No big deal. Happens. Make sure that everything was lined up. Trying to twist the belt back.
And it is lined up. I'm looking right at it.
Yeah, everything was peachy keen.
Everything's square.
All right, you know. So, Bobby said he put this belt on.
A couple years ago at Steven's house.
Yeah, no big deal. So I'm thinking that, you know, the bracket that wasn't actually bolted down.
The one that was flopping and making her squeak.
Because
now that it's secure.
You know, now it's settled.
Yeah.
This doesn't want to stay in now.
Because it's just a hair too long. It's actually too thick. It's a 17, we need a 15.
Yeah.
But
so I'm gonna get it out.
Pull that. I'm gonna get a length. We'll get a hold of the parts house. Actually, we'll go to our bin, Bernsey.
Where is Bob?
Oh yeah, Bob, the bin of belts. Yep. I think he's over there by miscellaneous carburetor part land by Carson's Jeep. If I remember correctly.
Yeah. Okay.
So, get that off. Let's go see if we have one and do that. And then I can call Steven and go, come get.
Yep. Sounds good.
Beautiful. Look at us. Kicking ass, taking names. That's better than what? Don't worry about it.
Rich fan the lines. Anyways. Okay. Later, guys.